Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do cute symbol transitions on CapCut. So let's get started. First, open a new project and include your clips or photos. Next, we're going to add a white overlay. Go to Overlay, then Add Overlay. Here, go to Library, then Background, and select the white overlay. Shorten it to 0.4 seconds. If your clip is shorter than that, just shorten the overlay to match. Now, scroll left and click on Mask. Select any of the last 4 symbols you want. I chose a star. Make sure to drag the overlay to the end of the clip. Add a keyframe at the beginning and the end. At the start, zoom it out to make the star smaller, and at the end, zoom in until the overlay fits the screen. Next, we're going to add another white overlay. Do the same thing we did earlier. Shorten this overlay to 0.2 seconds. Then go to Mask again and select the same symbol. This time, click on Invert at the bottom left. Now, drag it to the start of the second clip. Add a keyframe at the start and zoom it until it fits the screen. Add another one at the end and zoom it in again until you can't see the white overlay anymore. Now I will add graphs to make it look smoother. For the first overlay, I chose Ease In To. For the second, I chose Ease Out To. And we're done. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.